Hi, it's Bai here. Thank you for this moment. If you sign up your CashFX account, and you will get a scam and your dashboard, and you will have so many menus, and every menu you have so many tabs. What is everything going? What is the background, and what can you see and know everything always about? And I let my friend Ruth give a good explanation. And enjoy. Have a great day.
Right, here we go. After you have your login in CashFX, you will see your dashboard, and I'll scroll down slowly. There are announcements here about like this, the event of the day, end of the month event, the copy trading announcements, and I will get back to that later in the menu as well. Announcements from the company that you will also see in the frequently asked questions later on. If some things are not clear and they get a lot of questions, then sometimes CashFX puts messages like this on your dashboard to make you aware of how things work in the system. And it all works fine, but not everybody is aware of that. These are links to the social channels of CashFX. This is an important part, the messages that you see right here. Of course, when there are messages, you will see them in your email, but often also here in the message section in your dashboard. Here are some of our numbers, and you will see that as well in your dashboard, your total earnings up till now. What have you earned in the leadership program, if that's what you're aiming for? Bull capital is what you have earned with referring other people with commissions, and bear capital is what you have earned with the trading pool. Below that you see your account, in this case my account, and you see the percentage of that account. And now if you read through the documents in this group, you will understand what these percentages mean. I'm not going to explain that all here, but 74% is 74% of 400 in total. You see that almost a quarter is filled. When it's a quarter, it's 100%, because on both the bear and the bull, you can earn up to 200% of your pack amount. So in this case, a 30k pack will allow me to earn 60k on bear and 60k on bull. If you refer other people, you will see them in your dashboard. Every time a new member starts, you will see them appear right here. Of course, I blurred that now. And your rank qualifications. I'm almost director, you see that? I'll scroll up to the menu. And I'll start with the most important screens that you will regularly see if you follow your progress, and especially in the passive part in the trading pool. So if you go to your menu and you hover over finance, then the first thing that I will show you is the trading pool. Every day, every work day, because the trading on the Forex market is done 5 days a week. It's pretty traditional. 5 days a week, and the next day you will see your earnings in this window. And by the end of the week, on Saturday, that's why we always say Saturday will never be the same again, your profits are transferred into your balance. So this screen is emptied, and it will start populating again on Tuesday with the results of the Monday before. And in your balance, I will go there now. On Saturday, your balance is filled with the trading pool, and this is the history of the balance. Every time when an amount is added to your balance, then it will show up in the history. And if it's more than one line, like this one, trading pool, these are the 5 days of the week before. You can click here and you will see those days in detail. And the same goes for unilevel bonus, which I will get back to later, and the matrix bonus. If your balance is higher than $100, you can request a withdrawal. And I made a video separately about withdrawals and about upgrading your pack. I'm not going to explain that here. You can do it right from here with the button, and you can also click request withdrawal in the menu. You click the amount, you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Most of the time that's the complete amount. The system will ask you for your two-factor authenticator code, and your withdrawal will be taken in progress. The unilevel is only applicable for you if you refer other people. When you refer other people, then you will earn a unilevel bonus, and also if your downline refers other people, you will earn unilevel bonus out of that. The unilevel bonus is also transferred into your balance every Saturday. Matrix and matrix matching, I'm going to explain one. You just saw the request screen. When you do a withdrawal, the withdrawal request, when you do a withdrawal, you pay 20% fee, and everyone in your upline gets a share of that 20%. Nothing is going to the company, everything is going up back to the members. And there are two separate matrix commissions. There are matrix commissions from your complete downline, and the matrix matching is from your own first level downline, the first level of your unilevel. So the people that signed up with your referral link, in other words, personal matching, they are your downline. They also share a little amount of the matrix bonus with you. But like I said, if you don't refer other people, unilevel and matrix are, you can forget what I show you here. Global bonus and leadership prizes is only if you are a network builder. I'm not going to show you that. Your balance I just showed you. The request withdrawal I also showed you, and the withdrawal status. If you finished a withdrawal request, then the system will immediately take you to this screen, and then your most recent withdrawal request will be on the top line with status, I think, pending or in progress. I don't have one running right now, but they're all completed. But as soon as you have one running, it will be in this screen. The networks, the unilevel tree and the unilevel report also are only useful if you refer other people. The unilevel tree is a graphic representation of the people that you referred into CashFX. So I'm gonna reduce that window. So this is our unilevel tree, our level 1, the people that signed up with my name, and everyone below that. So if you refer other people, then they will be your level 1 and my level 2, 3, 4. The unilevel, and this also explains the bonuses, the commissions that are paid for unilevel. And you really have to watch in the documentation of CashFX and do your due diligence, study that to learn how it works, and you can also just see how it works when it goes on. Don't make a live study of it. We didn't do that. It becomes clear automatically when you start referring other people. The unilevel tree is this one, and the matrix tree is something different. And also, I'm not going to explain you what a matrix is. Do your research and find out what the matrix means, but it's a 3-step growth in your downline. So no matter who you referred, the green ones are my own referrals, and they're not on my first line in the matrix because it's a 3-step process. So people get automatically placed in the matrix. That's also something that you will learn as you go. Don't make a lot of work of it to study it, especially not in the beginning. A list of your personal referrals shows the people in your downline, and with the pack that they initially started with, or with the pack where they're on now, and their status as lead in the leadership program. All information that you can just keep an eye on. The Unilevel pending team shows people who have registered for CashFX but have not bought a pack. And sometimes it's because there was something wrong in their registration process, or they decided to use another email address. So they're still on here, and they just stay here unless you ask support to remove them, but it's no use to do that. These guys have work enough without you asking to remove these people down there. And most of them are not even your own referrals, by the way. It often appears that they are referred by someone you referred, or even further away. Those are the networks. Resources. This is to study. If you want to know more and you have questions, before you ask anyone, check your dashboard, log in, open the frequently asked questions. There's a whole bunch of them in there, and as far as I know, most questions that you can have are answered here. And of course, you can check out the documents in our Facebook group to learn more about it. But always do your research when something is not clear. The webinar and the web TV, look that up for yourself. Testimonials, that's not important for now, and how to manage your account. With the account, that's something that's important. Of course, you have your profile with your name and all the details in there. Your settings, the subscription settings right now, what do you want to, when do you want to be notified, and all that stuff. So I wanna get the messages, and this is default all ticked, so don't mind. This is an important one, the Bitcoin wallet. Before you do your first withdrawal request, and also that's in the video that I posted about that, you have to make sure that your Bitcoin wallet address is filled out here. And you see that I changed this for the last time in September when I activated my wallet, and don't touch it. The two-factor authentication setup is really simple. You use the Google or whatever authenticator. Mine is already enabled, so I can't show you this screen here. Check the sign-up document. You will see that you will get a QR code when you set this up for the first time. And with the QR code, you can set up your authentication very quickly. And just always be sure that you write down the secret code that you will see. If you don't know what I mean, you will see it when you see it. Payment history is the history of your own purchases at CashFX. So when you buy a new pack for an upgrade, then the history will show your payments here. I think we covered everything. I think now I missed one thing, the fast starts, the commissions, the Unilevel and the matrix. I spoke about that. The fast start bonuses are paid out to you immediately when someone signs up with your referral link. So fast start bonuses are not just paid out on Saturday like the rest of your profits, so the trading pool and the Unilevel commissions. The fast start is pushed into your balance immediately. So if that fast start brings your balance higher than $100, that means that you can also immediately withdraw it to your Bitcoin wallet. That's something to keep in mind. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. And otherwise, I will just have to make another video or write something in the description of this video. So, but I think you had a pretty good overview of the dashboard. And like I said, if you're just doing the trading pool and you don't refer other people at the moment, because you never know what might change, focus on the trading pool and making sure your account is secure, that your wallet is filled out, and that you have your authentication setup in order, but normally you do that when you register. So the unilevel is important. And one thing I forgot, the matrix. The matrix payday is on the 1st of the month and on the 16th of the month. So let's say every 2 weeks the matrix bonuses are transferred into your balance. Well, let's not make this too long. I don't want to overwhelm you. If you have questions, let me know. And have fun. That's the second best, which might be all the best advice. Have fun with CashFX because it's really incredible. I hope to see you soon. Bye.